Hi everybody, I'm smart shopping expert Trae Bodge, and today I want to talk about grocery shopping. It is a necessary evil, we gotta do it, but I wanted to share with you a few ways to make your shopping hopefully a little bit easier and help you save along the way. So first of all, if you're looking at those weekly circulars in your mailbox or you're clipping coupons, I'm so proud of you that you're saving on your grocery shopping, but I did want to make a suggestion. If you have a smartphone, it might be worth looking into using a grocery savings app like Checkout 51 or Ibotta or the Flip app. These services deliver coupons to you on your smartphone, so you don't have to worry about expiration dates or clipping coupons and remembering to carry them with you. It's just an easier way to manage your coupons, and they're all a little bit different, so check them out and see which one appeals to you. But essentially, they have coupons available on the app. If you buy those items, you simply scan your receipt to get your cash back or your points. So it's a really good way to save and make it super, super easy. So my next tip is think about those big bulky items that you buy, like that case of seltzer or toilet paper, paper towels, tissues, all those big items that you're lugging around the grocery store. Why not separate those items out of your list and buy them online and have them delivered to your door? So much nicer, right? So there are several ways that I would recommend doing this so you can save money along the way. Boxed.com is one of them, and you may have heard me mention this before, but it's definitely appropriate here. Box is an online wholesale club, and they do not charge any membership fees. They have a site that you can order from or an app, which is really simple. So you can actually order when you're standing in line, maybe at the grocery store with your perishables, but you can place an order in minutes. You get great wholesale pricing, so that's a good option. Amazon is also another option for good prices on bulk items like this, as well as Target and Walmart. So just think a little bit differently about your grocery list and see how you can separate it and have those big, heavy, bulky items shipped to your door instead of dragging them around in your cart. Next tip is about Whole Foods. So you may be aware that Whole Foods partner with Amazon, and Amazon Prime members get some great benefits. So if you haven't done this already, download the Whole Foods Marketplace app, and then you will be able to get extra benefits throughout the Whole Foods store. There are special 10% discounts all throughout the store. There are special Amazon Prime deals, and you'll see them clearly marked. And then you just show your barcode from the Whole Foods Marketplace app at checkout to get those benefits. Another way to save even more is to pay for your Whole Foods purchase with the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card, which is a really good rewards card in general for your Amazon purchases and now also for Whole Foods, and has lots of other benefits too. It's a card that I personally really like. This is a way to save an extra 5% on your Whole Foods purchases. Now, speaking of payments, you're buying groceries every week or every other week. You're spending a lot of money on groceries. Did you ever think about how you pay for your groceries? So you may be paying for your groceries with your debit card or your cash to be financially responsible, which is really smart, but you're not earning any rewards that way. So something that I would think about are your credit cards. Do they have any cash back opportunities or points that you could be accruing on your grocery shopping? Take a look there, see what you can earn. If you need a new rewards card while you're thinking about it, Credit Karma, which is a savings site, has a really good list of the best rewards cards, and they'll tell you kind of what you can earn back on certain purchases, including grocery purchases. You could be earning back 1%, 2%, or even 5% in some cases with the right rewards card. So take a look at that list and consider maybe getting a new credit card and taking advantage of all the great rewards that they offer. One thing to note is that with any credit card, you should intend to pay it off every month. And especially with a rewards card, if you're not paying it off every month and you are paying interest, you're kind of negating all those savings that you've just gathered. So only use these credit cards if you intend to pay them off in full every single month. So I hope these tips were helpful. Please press like below. Please subscribe to my channel for more savings tips. And if you'd like more information on what we just discussed, visit TrueTrae.com for a more extensive blog post on this topic, and lots more savings tips right there for you as well. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope to see you again really soon. Happy shopping!